I just got this $30 PC case in the mail. Will this be any good? I don't know. Just so you know, this case actually took over a month to get here, so if you're planning on waiting that long, then this might be worth it. The screws fell out. So far, so good. All right, so to take out the side panels, you just pop it off. Got a little manual. And yeah, this inside looks pretty decent, but it's actually a lot smaller than I thought it would be. Got the side. Got the USB 3.0, got the panel, HD audio, and another USB. Definitely have to use this space to hide some cables because there's not a whole lot of room here. I mean, a full ATX power supply will literally take up this entire space right here. But I will say, for $30, you can't really go wrong here.